Hello everybody, I am here at 1182 Beach Road, one of our fantastic listings we have on Singer Island. Actually just got done showing the property, some amazing people. Wanted to give you a brief peek of the listing and let you see a little what I'm talking about. You already saw the fantastic pool and landscaping behind me, but what's really amazing is the way they redid this home. So it was fully redone with all impact windows and doors, new floors, I mean, to the T. I'm just walking in from the backyard and give you a quick little run through before this storm comes. So here you've got the main living area, utility closet. We have got the redone kitchen, which, if I may say myself, was done impeccably. All new, all updated. The house was fully redone within the last 2 years. And we'll show you the guest rooms first. Here we've got a small guest room, which I would say could be used as an amazing office with a nice view of the pool and back patio. Got the dining room here, right off the kitchen and living. Great open floor plan with a lot of light. So it's a nice, light, bright home with fantastic amounts of space. These two guest rooms actually share this bath on this split floor plan on this side. Here's guest room 1. Both have nice deep closets as well. And this is guest room 2. Another great sized room. Now, prior to this owner, who owned the current owner of the home now, prior to them buying, this side of the home was a 1-1 with its own kitchen and efficiency. Now they changed it all up and made this the master wing. We'll walk in, we'll get a peek of the bathroom here. Amazingly done. And then we'll take a look at the actual master bedroom itself here. Nice seating area, great closet space, and then the nice little comfortable nook for the bed. And like always, as always, feel free to give us a call or a text, anything you want with any questions or to set up any showings. Again, this is 1182 Beach Road on Singer Island. And looks like I'm gonna get out of here before this storm comes. Give you your last little peek of the home here as I walk out and sign off and say goodbye. And you can see who's coming for me right there. So everybody, have a good day, stay dry, and thank you for watching.